Daily Stoic, Thursday morning. Wow, it's hopefully you had a nice Christmas holiday. It's December 26th. I walked long like this far throughout the year. Kind of feel good, about it. There you go. December 26th is. Life is long if you know how to use it. One of my favorite quote from Seneca. It's not at all that we have too short a time to live, but that we squander a great deal of it. Life is long enough, and it's a given in sufficient measure to do many great things if we spend it well. But when it's poured down the drain of luxury and neglect, when it's employed to no good end, we're finally driven to see that it has passed but before we even recognize its passing. And so it is, we don't receive a short life, we make it so. Seneca on the brevity of life, 1.3 to 4. It's a brilliant how the Roman time they already saw how humans gonna be. Like millennia has been changed, but we're still doing same thing, right? That's just amazing how the philosophers foresaw all happening, or maybe human never change, like Jeff Bezos says, concentrate on not changing instead of sometimes we always consider what's changing. Concentrate what's not changing ever. Maybe that's what we need to concentrate. No one knows how long they have to live, but sadly, we can be sure of one thing: we will waste far too much of life. Wasted sitting around, wasted chasing the wrong thing, wasted by refusing to take the time to ask ourselves what's actually important to us. Far too often, we liked overconfident academics that Petrarch criticized in his classic essay on ignorance. The types who fritter away their powers incessantly in caring for things outside of them and seek themselves there. Basically, we are always looking outside somewhere instead of in us. Yet they have no idea this is what they're doing. That's even worse. We seek all this stuff out there somewhere in the mirage, but we don't even know what we're doing. I guess we have to talk about the metacognition in there. The knowing who you are, knowing what you do, and knowing what you need to revise. Metacognition. So today, if you find yourself rushed or uttering the words, I just don't have enough time, stop and take a second. Is this actually true? Or have you just committed to a lot of unnecessary things? Are you actually being efficient? Or have you assumed a great deal of waste into your life? The average American spends something like 40 hours a year in traffic. I believe nowadays it's way more than that. 40 hours example, let's say that's a month over the course of a life. And for traffic, you can substitute so many activities, from fighting with others to watching television to daydreaming, whatever. Whichever you're wasting your time, that's fine, but you are wasting eventually. Your life is plenty long. Just use it properly. So 40 hours of traffic gives you 1 month. If you think about the LA traffic, well, okay, maybe 40 hours a week. So that's, I don't know how to calculate. I don't want to calculate. It's just, like dryly, sad story. So I like it. I like this quote from the beginning when I read it on the Brevity of Life by Seneca for a long time ago. Life is long if you know how to use it. Old age people with the white hairs, did they live their life or they just spend the time? I like that either. I don't like to look at myself when I like 70s, 80s, and when my hairs get white and all the thing, and they'll look at myself. Oh gosh, I'm getting old because of I just spend the time. No, I read the saying, I've been fulfilling my life. I've been fulfilling my life wisely, so I feel that I accomplished my life, and I spend my life effectively instead of just wasting. Think carefully. You have to before it's too late. Like you say, it passed before you realize it's passing. Be careful on that. Thank you. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye.